Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Head coach of the Reggae Boys, Steve McLaren, encourages the JFF to have more matches against their different Caribbean neighbors as they ended their two-match friendly against Trinidad and Tobago with a 1-1 draw on Sunday. With a call for more games within the region, Coach McLaren says it will benefit everyone involved.
If we can organise more games or get-togethers like this, I think it will benefit the national team and also benefit the JPL and benefit the players as well in going forward.
He also assessed the game on Sunday.
We created a lot more chances tonight than we did in Mobay. I was pleased with the final third play better. We created chances, more crosses, pullbacks, had opportunities, had chances. And it's something that we worked on. We need to work on even more.
Defender Josiah Trimmingham shocked the home crowd at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex and put Trinidad and Tobago in front in the 29th minute. However, when it seemed like the Twin Islands were going to snatch a win, Trimmingham turned into a villain, putting the ball into his own net in the second minute of second half stoppage time. The Steve McLaren coached Jamaicans who won the first match 1-0 at the Montego Sports Complex on Thursday will now turn his attention to the CONCACAF Gold Cup qualifiers against St. Vincent and the Grenadines next month. Meanwhile, Jamaica's under-17 Reggae Boys will begin their quest to qualify for a third Youth World Cup when they tackle St. Lucia in their opening game in Group H of the CONCACAF Under-17 World Cup qualifiers in Guatemala. The young Jamaicans have been placed in a group with Cayman Islands, St. Lucia and El Salvador. The winners of the 8 qualification groups will advance to the 2025 FIFA Under-17 World Cup in Qatar in November, and the battle for group honors is expected to be between Jamaica and El Salvador. And finally, an encounter at a netball game with former 100-meter world record holder Asafa Powell by one Camperdown Netball player has seen Powell donating $450,000 to cover travel expenses, among other things, for 3 players. The Olympic and World Championship relay gold medalist Powell donated the money to cover travel expenses for 3 netballers, Mahalia Mills, Lasana Cooper, and Rihanna Lewis, ensuring they have the chance to compete on the international stage from his 2023 Sagicor Sigma Run patron donation.
I'm blessed that I'm in a position where I can, donate and give back, to the cause. And being a sportsman myself, I know how difficult it is to really get to that level. So for me to donate to the Camperdown, high school netball team was really an honor for me. And I'm just smiling, to see the smiles on their faces, to know that they're able to travel and compete.
The Florida Netball Classic, which Camperdown will be a part of, is set for April 19 and 20. Powell also pledged $250,000 to the 2025 Sagicor Sigma Run that is scheduled to take place next Sunday. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
And that concludes the Midday News package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.